Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. If you're having problems sleeping tonight because of the temperatures, well, good news is on the way. It is going to turn cooler through the course of the weekend and a bit less humid too. But tonight it is very warm in most places, clear skies for many as well. As always, there are one or two exceptions. A bit of mist and low cloud could drift back into parts of the coast of northeast England and eastern Scotland, and a bit more cloud actually spilling into the west through the early hours, and that is a sign of a bigger change into Saturday. But for most in the west, the main thing will be those temperatures staying in the mid, even high teens in places. It's going to be pretty tricky for sleeping. It's a bit more comfortable further east, with temperatures down to 11 to 13 Celsius here. But here too, we could just start with a bit of mist and low cloud once more. That should clear away. And then it's across eastern areas, particularly eastern England, where temperatures will really be rising rapidly. For the west, where we saw the highest temperatures on Friday, well, actually, there'll be a bit more cloud around here. It is still a day of sunny spells, and it is still very warm here, but it won't be as hot. Whereas in the east, it will be noticeably hotter on Saturday. Temperatures widely across the Midlands into eastern parts of England up to 30 Celsius. And in some spots, particularly in a corridor just north of London, up towards Cambridgeshire, 32, 33, 34, 35 is possible. The all-time June record, 35.6 Celsius. Well, we could get close to that. Temperatures will be down in western areas, but in eastern Scotland, you've also probably noticed that big jump in temperatures into the mid, even high 20s across parts of Aberdeenshire. Now, across parts of Scotland, there will be much more cloud, and we could just see one or two showers breaking out, particularly late in the day over the hills and mountains. Maybe even a thunderstorm or two through the evening. Elsewhere, it stays largely dry, a balmy summer's evening for most, with plenty of hazy sunshine, and those temperatures again will be holding up. But we will see a change on the way. That band of cloud pushing in is a weather front, a cold front, and it is going to oust the high temperatures. The heat building up, but it gets pushed away as we go into Sunday. So although it'll still be very warm for many on Saturday night, Sunday will be a cooler day. Low pressure back in charge. There'll be weather fronts bringing showers across western parts of Scotland too. The odd shower for Northern Ireland, maybe one or two in northwest England. But actually, for most places, Sunday's a pretty pleasant summer's day with sunny spells and temperatures back much closer to average. It's going to be a real drop in temperatures, having seen a real rise in temperatures across these eastern areas in particular. We could drop by, again, close to 20 Celsius, but still pretty warm in the sunshine here, 24 or 25 Celsius. Elsewhere, high teens, low 20s, and it will feel that much cooler, particularly with the wet weather in western Scotland. Still fine though in eastern Scotland with some sunny spells. So overall, the weekends for most of us will be dry with some sunshine, but after starting hot in the east, it will turn cooler for all. However, one thing we'll all have to take note of, the strength of the sun. High UV levels through the weekend, so you'll need the hat and the sunscreen on throughout both Saturday and Sunday. Make sure you stay up to date with the very latest. We'll be updating the temperatures, particularly so on Twitter, so make sure you're following us there. Download the app for the very latest as well.